Our spray bar is an 8-foot wide spray bar. The tips are spaced such that we get full overlap on these tips. Our standard spray tip that we use is an 80-70. That's the spray tip here. 80 means an 80-degree fan, and 70 is 7 gallons a minute, 40 psi water. That's the rating for these tips. So an 80-70, when we have this adjusted right, this spray tip here will spray to the center of this. So my angle will spray like that. My outside edge will be just a single overlap on the outside tip. But this tip is going to spray full here. So we've got full double overlap on most of the width of the spray bar. That's my 80-70. I'll show the adjustments of these in a little bit. We want to make sure that we line these up so my spray pattern is very close to each other, but not touching. It's like Egon and Ghostbusters. If the patterns touch, the world will come to an end. We don't want the sprays to overlap because the material now hits each other and comes down and we get big streaking in the material. We want nice coverage so we don't have that streaking, but we were at close application. So we'll go through that process in a minute. But with the 6 spray tips across the bar, we have 2 spray extensions. So we can increase our width of spray. We're going to add our spray extensions. These slide in pretty nice. They lock into this coupling, which is key driven. So when I operate the spray bar open and close, these control with that. I'll set my T-handle to lock it in place. It's not going to move on me. Remove the cap. Put the extension on here. There we go. Okay, so we've got our feeder hose. We open the valve. We're going to install this one here real quick. Open that up. Now we're ready to spray. But because this has not been charged, when we get ready to spray, I'll probably do just a quick little blast on the ground to recharge the system to make sure that these are both ready to go. Then I'll back up, probably just do a quick squeegee, drag out if I got a little spot on the ground, clean that up. And I'm ready to spray material. With these, I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tips all the way across. That's going to spray a 14-foot wide pass. So our ability to put down a lot of material in a short amount of time is the magic of this machine. And if we want a quick spray slightly less, I can disconnect a tip or two. If I want to just do a little bit of cut-in work, I could disconnect all of it, maybe 2, and just do an edge work. It's very easy with these quick disconnects to customize the width of the pattern that we want to spray. So maintenance issues, one of the things we want to do is we want to keep coating these with a little WD-40 every day because the WD-40 re-emulsifies the asphalt, breaks it down, and it keeps these where they can move and they don't get stiff on you. We want to make sure that we're exercising those on a daily basis. But that's our spray bar extensions. 14-foot wide pass, 10 tips. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at spray tip alignment.